All right, this is a quick instructional video on how to complete the regular and irregular plural nouns page in your grammar book. So, in addition to your grammar book, you will need these two printouts, a yellow and a blue, a pair of scissors, glue stick, and a pencil. All right, to get started, you're going to cut out everything from these yellow and blue pages. The words, you're just going to cut around the outside. You want the whole strip, so don't cut along the middle or anything inside there. Once you get them all cut out, they'll look like this. You want the strip, the whole strip there. So just cut along the outside and get those cut out. Same thing for the 4 words on top of the yellow page. When you get down here, just around the outside of the thick black line around the outside, not the dotted line. No, the outside. Okay, when you do that, if you do it correctly, it will look like this. Notice I still have the dotted line because I cut around the outside. Okay, here's what you're gonna do. I've already done the bottom one. I'm just gonna show you how to do the top one here. This may be familiar to you too by now. We're only gonna put glue around the outside where it says glue here, because we're gonna make a little pocket for the words to go in. So we're not gonna put glue in here, okay? Only around the outside where it tells us to put glue. So good amount of glue there, especially along the bottom, because things tend to fall out right along the bottom if we don't glue it real well. Line this up, and I'm just gonna press it down with my fingers around the outside where I put the glue. Give it a couple seconds to dry before I start messing with it too much. Okay, and I did it on the bottom, got a pocket, and now on the top, I've got a pocket. Okay, so unlike one of the pages we've done in the past where we just put the words in the pocket, we actually have to write on these pieces of paper before we put them in the pouches. The pouches are regular plural nouns and irregular plural nouns. So we're going to sort these nouns based on whether they are regular or irregular plurals. On this paper, though, it gives you the singular form of the noun. So this word is buzz, which is a noun, buzz, and it's the singular form. So I need to make buzz plural. Well, I know that I do that by just adding an ES at the end. So buzz turns to buzzes, and I'm going to write it on that side of the card. So buzz goes to buzzes. Okay, the reason I know that is because on my pouch here it tells me most words that end in SS, CH, SH, X, or Z need ES to form the plural. Buzz ends in a Z, so I add ES to make it plural. Now it says most words because that will not always be true, but most of the time it will. Okay, since I followed this rule right here on the regular plural noun pouch, this must be a regular plural noun, and indeed it is. So I'm going to slide it into that pouch right there. Okay, look at this word next. This word is pony. Pony, again, is a singular noun. I need to make it plural, so I'm going to make it ponies. Well, I know this rule right here. It's down here on this one. For nouns that end in Y, but not EY, it's a distinction there, so only Y, which pony does, change the Y to IES to form the plural. So I took pony, I changed the Y to IES. So the P, the O, the N are the same, P-O-N, but the Y changes to IES. And that was the rule down here for irregular plural nouns. So I know that pony, or ponies rather, is an irregular plural, and of course it is. So I'm gonna slide it there into that pouch. Okay, so when you go through here, just take one of your words, figure out what the plural form of that word is using the rules that they give you here, and then based on which rule you use, determine if it's a regular or an irregular plural, and then put it into the pouch. All right, good luck.